We're here in San Antonio and we're so excited for all of the things that we're going to do today.
A Mercado.
The Riverwalk.
The Alamo, can't forget that.
And also, there's one surprise for Tim.
Lila's here.
Lila's here, she's holding the camera. There's another surprise for Tim.
Pepper's coming with.
We're doing this today.
We're going to caves today?
Yeah.
We're going to caves today.
We're going to caves right now.
Let's go. I'm so excited. I should grab a long sleeve shirt. It's gonna be cold.
Yeah, you might need to change.
Yeah.
Tim, are you so excited?
Yeah, we're doing the discovery tour. We're not expecting Thailand levels of walk across this piece of bamboo and crawl through this hole. It's gonna be a little more safety focused.
The parking lot is packed, then you wait in like a long line, and then you have to like wait an hour for your tour to start.
The good news is there's supposed to be an In-N-Out and a McDonald's in the cave just so people don't get too famished while they're walking.
My name is Dallas.
This is starting. We almost missed it. We were waiting an hour. We almost missed it. Dallas, how Texas season.
Without further ado, we will head down and begin our tour. Please, stay for a small second.
This is the one that we're doing. We won't be able to talk to the other one because we're not doing it. We have been the last on every cave tour we've ever gone on. Like, it's kind of nice. You kind of take your time. Sometimes we get lost. We stay back too far. Who knows what today will bring us. We don't know what we're doing on this. It's just like everything is blurry, it's super dark. Who knows if this is even an episode because we're not photographers. We don't know how to do this. Tim's just filming me on my iPhone with the flash on. This is probably the best footage that we have of this. Watch your head. We're going down these really epic switchbacks and like you can tell how super cool it is. And our tour is way down there. And that tour that's coming up, they're gaining on us. They're right here. But we're just going slow.
I was completely wrong. It's not as Gabrish as I thought. This is hands down the best like formations we've seen in caves. This is really a great
This is
tour.
epic. There's so many people, but that's because it's
great.
really cool to see.
So, cave tour was fantastic. It was like it was designed by Disney themselves. It slowly escalated in like formation and everything got cooler and spookier.
Spookier.
It was super spooky.
I mean, you know it's a good sign when we thought that the cave tour was over and we were all excited. We were like reminiscing about the cave tour. And then he was like, no, we're just stopping for a picture. And then we go into the biggest cavern. We're like, there's more caves. Off to El Mercado.
One more time, more energy.
Off to El Mercado. We came straight from the caves here to the market, and it is the largest Mexican market outside of Mexico, and I'm so excited to be here. This is the one thing I wanted to do in San Antonio. Woo!
It's mayo, butter, and a bunch of hot peppers. The good thing is, it's really hot out, and I like some mayo when it's hot out.
Yeah.
No. So obviously super touristy here, but I've been wanting to get these for the front of the scooter forever. So now we have them.
They're real.
Maybe. Yeah.
Mercado, awesome. So fun. Lots of food.
Lots of long lines.
I love it.
Let's go rescue Pepper.
Let's go get Pepper. We're doing a drive-by of the Alamo. There's like no parking, so Lila's literally just gonna drop us off. We've arrived. We're gonna run, we're gonna go see it, and we're gonna come back.
let's go see the Alamo, sweetie. Well, now that we're out of the car, we're gonna go see the Alamo in the time that it takes Lila to go around the block.
Somehow, like, places like are always right across from historic landmarks, that sort of thing. It's so magical.
Okay, I did do some early research before we came because I was curious what its initial intention was, and it was built by the Spanish as like an evangelical thing for Native Americans. And so it was originally a church.
Okay, we did it. Time to go.
Off we go.
Is that all you want to get right there?
Yeah.
Okay, me too.
Here, this is better with all the people.
Yeah.
Like things that you go and see. Wait. This is what things look like. People taking pictures in front of buildings. Now we have to go find Lila's car and get back in the car. We did it! We did the Alamo! Come on, Pepper! Come on!
Alright.
Hey, we remembered it. We remembered to see it.
This wasn't like a real river. Lila just said that this is like a this looks like, the whole thing looks like a Disneyworld ride. Riverwalk. I can understand the confusion. I'm not making fun of you at all.
Yeah, like, okay, like Chicago on the river, there's like a lot of restaurants like this that are like down on the river, but this is like a Disney, like inside of, yeah. Okay, I got it now. I understand. Well, the highlight of the Riverwalk was that Pepper was able to come to dinner with us, and we even had a puppy-friendly menu. So I'd say all in all, we had a good time in San Antonio. Right? Yeah!